Y'all know I love their scrubs, y'all. It's just so many freaking products. I can't even, like, they just sent me so much, and I'm so grateful for it, and I'm so ready to use. I still haven't even used everything, certain soaps and stuff y'all know that I love and use. But yes, girl, this is what we getting into today. These right here. Today's video, we're definitely getting into some skincare because listen, your girl has been neglecting her skin. So I'm like, I really need to take the time to care for my skin, especially before I leave to go to Georgia and to take my vacation, because you know sometimes on vacation you're on the go. So yeah, AwakenFree was kind enough to send me their Japanese double cleanse facial kit, and this is just the daily routine that they sent on the inside with the directions just describing to you on how to use everything. So the Japanese facial kit comes with the oil cleanser, and y'all know I love me an oil-based cleanser. So it's good to use an oil-based cleanser because for one, an oil-based cleanser will help go in and remove any excess oils that you had on your face previously, like any oils or serums that you put on your face prior to you know, cleaning your face. It helps remove makeup, dead skin, helps clean out your clogged pores like blackhead, whiteheads. So an oil-based cleanser has many great benefits, and y'all, when I tell you it leaves your skin feeling so smooth. Y'all know how I feel about my oil-based cleansers. And then one thing that I love about AwakenFree is all of their, oh y'all, it smells so amazing. Y'all seen how I smelled it. But yes, all of AwakenFree products are organic, and they make them all with their hands. So as I always say, they were made with tender love and care. And that is my little cousin yelling in the background. Also, this is the travel size kit that they sent me. So they do have bigger ounces, like bigger size bottles in all of these products that they sent me, which I'm very happy that they sent me the travel size kit, because I brought all of these products with me here to Georgia and I've been using them and I love them. So yes, they do have different sizes that you can choose from. So if you travel a lot, you can get the bigger bottle to have at home, and then the smaller size to travel with. But yes, y'all see how smooth it has my skin looking. Oh my gosh, my skin is looking so smooth already, and we're only on the first step. So yeah, I had to go in and do a little bit of dermaplating like I told y'all, which I already have a video up like this. So if you would like to see that video, you are more than welcome to go back and watch it. As y'all see, I had a lot of hair on my face. I've tried to do dermaplating on my face at least once a month. So yeah, girl, it was about that time. So I waited a little longer until it was time for me to take my flight, so that my face could be fresh and shaved. So yes, girl, I'm just going in with my microfiber rag like I showed y'all, and just wiping all of that excess oil off, which I made sure I rubbed all the oil in and massaged it into my skin for at least a minute. So this is how your girl's skin is looking. and it's looking and feeling amazing. Okay, so the next step, we are going to go in and use our honey facial foaming wash, and this wash is also made for dry and oily skin and sensitive skin as well. So pretty much it's basically you can use it for any skin type, and this facial cleanser is going to help hydrate and clear your skin, helps get into your pores. Y'all, this had my skin feeling like that pepperminty feel, you know, like when your pores are open and it just feels so fresh. I loved this foam. So you also want to make sure that you shake this bottle well before you use it, and you also want to rub your face in outward circular motions, and then rinse it off with warm water, and then that's going to also help you remove the dead skin cells. But I'm also going to make sure that I rub this in and cleanse my face for a minute, but then I'm also going to go in with my, I'm not sure what to call it, it's like my facial brush, cleansing brush, and it's like electrical. So I'm going to go in and use that and massage it in my face as well, and that's also going to help get rid of that dead skin that's on your face and really get deep into your pores and penetrate, and you know, get that penetration in your pores, so you can make sure that you're getting deep into your skin, because sometimes just rubbing the facial wash in with your hands, it's not just enough. So I like to make sure that I go in with my facial cleansing brush and just go in for another minute and cleanse my face, which you can find, I got this one from Walmart, but in my Amazon link down below I have another one that I like to use. I have another pink one because I have a couple of these, so that will be linked down below for y'all to use, just in case you want to order it off of Amazon. So if you don't have one of these facial cleansing brushes, I highly recommend that you get one, because I totally seen the difference from when I did use one and then when I didn't use one. I seen the difference in my face with the hyperpigmentation and all of that. So if you're trying to get rid of hyperpigmentation, girl or guy, make sure you get it. So yes, girl, as you see, my skin is looking so rejuvenated, so hydrated, so fresh, so clean. I look Lord, there he go again. Now we're going to go in and do our last step before we go in and add our moisturizers and all of those good things. I'm going to go in with my honey lemon turmeric soap, and this one is made with shea butter, and then they also have one that is made with goat milk, I believe, goat milk. But yes, y'all know I've been using this particular product for months. I absolutely love it. It has helped me get rid of my hyperpigmentation, my dark marks, and I've just seen a huge difference between using this turmeric soap. So if you are trying to get rid of dark marks, blemishes from like pimples and just marks that have been created in your face, I highly recommend that you get this honey lemon turmeric soap. One thing that I love about this soap is that it has tea tree oil in it, so it's going to help reduce inflammation and redness, and it's going to help soften up your skin and all of those good things. So I highly recommend. I leave this mask on because it honestly goes on like a mask. I leave it on for about 5 minutes, and then I'm just going to go in and wipe it off of my face, which I normally do my facial routine in the shower, so I just leave it on my whole time showering, and then I will go and wipe it off my face. But yeah, I'm just going in with some alcohol and cleaning out my facial brush. Always make sure that you sanitize your brushes after using them. So my lips were feeling a little dry, so I'm going to go in with my honey mint lemonade lip scrub from AwakenFree. And when I tell y'all, first of all, this stuff tastes amazing, and it also smells amazing. Not that I like ate it, but you know, some of it kind of go in your mouth, so I mean, yeah, your girl tasted it a little bit, but I loved it. And it came with these like brushes to kind of like scrub your lips with, but I absolutely loved it because my lips were also looking a little dark, so I just wanted to like do a fresh lip scrub, get all of that dead skin up off of my lips, and to help with the hyperpigmentation, especially if you're a smoker. I highly recommend that you get this lip scrub because my lips were feeling so rejuvenated after I did this scrub. And I try to do this scrub at least once a week, so you could do it more than once if you want, but definitely once a week. Even if you don't scrub, I mean not scrub, even if you don't smoke or anything, this is still very good for your lips and for you to use to exfoliate your lips, because we also do have dead skin on our lips as well. So yes girl. So for my toner, I just like to go in and use good old witch hazel. That's what I like to stick to. It is so important to use a toner before you go in and apply any serums or oil on your face. For one, because that toner is going to help those products stick to it. But also a toner is going to help remove any like traces of dirt. Sometimes we don't get everywhere on our face, so we'll still have a little dirt left, but more than likely if you're doing like 2 cleanses, you're going to clean your face pretty good. But you still want to make sure that you go in with a toner to just get any last type of products or dirt that is built up on your face or stuck into your pores. So yeah, and it also have like a positive impact on your skin when it comes to like appearance, brightness, the tightness of your skin. It'll help with you like not aging so fast, wrinkles, all of those good things. So that's why I like to use a witch hazel as my toner, because I just, you know, it's going to make sure that everything is tight, clean. Before I go in and add like any products between each products, I like to make sure that I just give my skin enough time to dry and to give that previous product to set in. So I'm going to go in with my fan and just kind of blow dry it for about 20 to 30 seconds. Not blow dry it, but y'all get what I'm saying. After applying my toner, I'm going to go in with my Rose Aloe Serum, which has aloe vera in it, and it's going to help brighten your skin. Quick tip: when applying any type of moisturizer, use the tip of your hands and apply it in the upward motions, or at least try not to just like pull down on your face, because we are trying to uplift our skin and not have it drooping down and baggy. So yeah, that's something I'm still working on as well, but just a quick tip. And y'all, please be careful with getting this close by your eyes, because baby, I should have read that bottle before, because your girl eyes was kind of burning. I had to look at the bottle and see was that normal, but it definitely is, because it says keep away from your eyes. So as y'all see, I'm kind of like my eyes are burning. But yeah, this is going to help brighten your skin, remove dark marks. It definitely works well for acne prone skin. So if you have like a lot of dryness, a lot of acne, this is going to help moisturize your skin, to lock in that moisture, to plump your skin, and just overall leave it feeling really smooth. So yes, highly recommend. Next, I'm going to go in with my rose oil from AwakenFree, and then my Aveeno moisturizer, which I absolutely love because it has sunscreen in, and it just also leaves my skin feeling so nourished, so hydrated. So I'm going to go in and apply those two products together, which I absolutely love rose oil, and I always make sure I put it on my face because it helps with fine lines, it helps with aging, it helps with wrinkles, fighting off acne, also helps you fight off bacteria. So this oil has many great benefits, and you can also use this oil for your hair. So you can use this you can use this oil for a couple of things. So again, highly recommend. I always make sure I use rose oil in my skincare routine morning and night, because baby, we do not need our skin looking wrinkly and old, and we only 24-25. So I always like to go in and just brush out my eyebrows at the end of my routine. And I also forgot to tell y'all that I always clean my ears every time I do my face. So I'm going to go in with a little rose water and just spray it on my face. Again, highly recommend that you use rose water. I always set my face using some rose water after I get done with my facial routine. So yes girl, my skin is looking amazing. It's so hydrated. My skin is literally in love. I would normally go in and steam my face as well, but I didn't have time. That's just my ReniPosh clear gloss that y'all know I always use. Link down below for y'all to purchase and get a percentage off. And yes, I really hope that y'all enjoyed this video. Thank y'all so much for watching. When you go to AwakenFree to purchase your products and check out, make sure you use my code Malijah15 for a percentage off at checkout, which everything will be down below. Y'all already know how that go. So your girl is feeling herself. I mean, my skin, y'all see it. It ain't too much to be said. So yes, I love y'all dearly. Thank y'all so much for watching. Make sure that y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll be back on the next video. Mwah.